We're gonna try the wings from Slim Chickens. Ooh, that looks hot. Like warm hot. I just got the buffalo flavor. I mean, they tender. Buffalo's just a decent buffalo flavor. Just your old regular chicken wing. I'd eat them again. They're decent sized wings. I love a good buffalo and ranch flavor mixed together. The fries here are real good. They give you a lot of them too. They crunchy.
Yeah, check the mic, 1, 2. Welcome to the zoo. Food trucks, monster trucks, ain't no comparison. Hit that like and sub, y'all know the transmission. All right. Dump trucks, food.